Welcome back, YouTube land. Welcome back to another food review. Today we are at one and only A&W's here in Belleville, Michigan. We got a bunch of stuff we're gonna try out. We're gonna have to start off first though, because it is 95 degrees out, with the A&W strawberry milkshake. Whipped cream. It's thick. You can taste chunks of strawberries in there. Next, we got, what do we got? This is the barbecue bacon crunch wrap burger. Just packaging, put barbecue on it so you can see it. Open it up here. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a nice one. Nice fatty there. Open it up. Oh yeah. Bacon's crunchy. Barbecue sauce is really good. Cheese is really good. The crunch is little onion punches, like the French onion things. You can see them there. Really gives it the kick. Really good. Really good burger. Next, we got the fries. Bag fries. Let's take a video of these. Let's get a shot of these. Still see the potato marks on them. Right there. Good crunchy fry. Light salt on them. Fries ain't bad. I give fries like 8.2. Burger though, like I said, is really good. I give it like an 8.6 on the burger. Like I said, come get the double, what is it? It's the double barbecue bacon crunch burger. Good, really good. Take it off the bun, just add the burger. This place is packed, and it's like 93 degrees. People are just all sitting in their cars. You can see the people behind me on the picnic table. One guy's there sweating his ass off. I couldn't do it, man. But like I said, you ever like A&W, the famous A&W root beer and everything else, come check out A&W burger joint. Come get their shakes. Give Look at all that whipped cream. That's it. Like I said, come on out. A&W Root Beer out here in Belleville, Michigan. Please like and subscribe. You help my ego out a lot for doing that. Like I said, we'll be doing another review next week. Just went to Lake Cumberland last week. Had a blast there. Sat on the lake. It was like 104 degrees every day. All right, like I said, hey, like and subscribe. Share it with your friends and everything else. And we'll see you on the next time. Peace.